Good morning, dear student. Now let us begin our new topic, pair of lines. So here I am explaining you this pair of line means intersecting line, parallel line and transversal line. So what is the intersecting line? Already I explained you. Once again I will explaining to you. Two lines N and M intersect at a common point. Two lines, this is a L and M. If they are intersect at one common point, these lines are intersecting line, and this P point it is your intersect point. Okay. Now parallel line, what is a parallel line? If two lines P and Q are not intersect any common point, and they are moving within same distance, they are having same distance, that is called a parallel line. Transversal line, it will be applicable for a parallel line also and non-parallel line also. So here I draw this figure. One is parallel and another is non-parallel line. Okay, non-parallel means they are meet at a one common point. If they are moving forward, then they are meet one a common point, that then after it become intersecting line. Okay, so here, and what is a transversal line? The definition is, if two lines are parallel and non-parallel, then third line intersect to this parallel non-parallel line at a distinct point is called a parallel. Distinct point means different place. Okay, distinct means different place. In this two line they are intersect, that is called a transversal line. This is a third line. Understood now what is the meaning of the transversal line? Okay, now some example for you related to this transversal line. Some angles made up from transversal line, that is, so here the example of these angles. First, corresponding angle you have to learn. Second, alternate interior angle, and third, alternate exterior angle, and fourth is co-interior angle. These are the angle made by a transversal line. These are the four type you have to learn it. First is corresponding angle, second alternate interior, third alternate exterior, and fourth is co-interior angle. Now here the example, how can you find out these are the angles? So here I am marking of corresponding angle. Corresponding angle means if I just point out this angle, okay, in this line, this is the line L and this is the line M. In this M, corresponding angle will be is this one. If this angle is above of this line, the same as the in L angle, in L line above of this angles, these are the corresponding angle. Understood now? In L and M, these are the corresponding. अगर M के अब ऊपर वाली एंगल बन रहा है तो सेम L में भी ऊपर की तरफ की एंगल ही बनेगा, तो ये दोनों क्या कहलाएंगे? corresponding angle. Next, if they are below, if I am taking below of this L angle, if I am taking below of this angle L, okay, so same is in M also below of this angle, below of this line. These are the corresponding angle. Okay, understood now? If I am taking in the same position of in which position I am taking angle in L, same position you have to take in M also. That are the corresponding angle. Okay, I am giving example of our day-to-day life, that in our school life, that I am standing in front of you, that I am corresponding to you. Understood now? I am corresponding to you. If you will, if I will come on that your place in your row or in your place, so that is a correspondence. So same as the in corresponding angles. Understood now? Okay, here is the four way. First this one, second is this one. Now same process we have to do in other side of your transversal line. Other side of your transversal line, how? See, if I draw here, then in this line also I am doing it down one, yani below of this line. So these are also corresponding angle. Another I can take, now below if I took, now above I will take. So these are also corresponding angles. These are the type of your corresponding angles. Now what about the alternate interior angle? What about alternate interior angle? Here I am talking interior, so we have to take angles in between of these two line, that is the interior angle. If we are taking out of this two line, that are angles your exterior angle. So first we have to understand what is the alternate interior angle. Alternate means one angle will be on this side of transversal and another angle will be on that side in transversal angle. So what is it? Now this one, look it. If I will take here in this line L and M, in L and M, if I am taking here, then I will take opposite side of your transversal and in interior only, because the angle is our interior. So these are the alternate interior angle. Understood now? Now second, exterior angle. What is this exterior angle? Now I am taking here, because I already told you interior means we are talking about inside of this two line. Inside of this two lines we are taking interior angle. Now I am taking it on this one side, then opposite of this transversal here. So these are the alternate interior angle. Okay. Now what about exterior angle? These are the, suppose L and M line. What about alternate exterior angle? Outside we are taking the lines. Suppose that if I am taking here 1, this is the N and this is the M. Then outside if I am taking, then alternate means opposite. So outside means this is the transversal line and opposite where I draw here. These are the alternate interior angle. Next one, now if I am taking in this side, if I am taking in this side, then what is the opposite of this transversal? This one, please, because exterior angle we want. So these are the alternate exterior angles. Now what about co-interior angle? Interior means we are talking about inside of these two line angles. Okay, so co-interior means same side, on a same side we are taking. Alternate means one angle in this side also and one angle another one side also. Alternate you can understand, we are talking one by one we are taking a places, same as अपन ने अभी इधर लिया फिर नेक्स्ट प्लेस पे इस साइड में लिया, तो ये अल्टरनेट एंगल्स होता है, अल्टरनेट एंगल्स. एंड बट को इंटीरियर एंगल ऑलवेज मेड अप ऑन सेम साइड. एंड व्हाट इज इट? This is the co-interior angle. These are the co-interior angle. Okay. Now one more thing. When we are talking about this parallel line, in parallel line these are the angles will be equal to their another one line angles. Not understand? So here I am explaining you how is it possible. I mark these angles like that. I give the mark of these are the angle, and learn always when we are talking about this transversal line on in parallel line, if their lines are parallel, then what is the what kind of the angles are there, किस टाइप के एंगल्स रहेंगे उस टाइम पे. यहाँ पे कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स क्या हो जाएंगे? इक्वल हो जाएंगे. एंगल 1 विल बी इक्वल टू एंगल 2. जब भी पैरेलल लाइन होगी तो ये दिस टाइप ऑफ द एंगल्स विल बी इक्वल टू ईच अदर. ओके. नाउ इसमें कौन सा एंगल इक्वल जाएगा? एंगल 3 इक्वल टू एंगल 4, और इसमें एंगल 5 इक्वल टू एंगल 6, इसमें एंगल 7 इक्वल टू एंगल 8. ओके. नाउ अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल में एंगल 10 इक्वल टू एंगल 9 फर्स्ट. सेकेंड, एंगल 11 इक्वल टू एंगल 12. ओके. दीज आर द एंगल्स. नाउ यू हैव टू लुक इट. इसमें भी क्या होगा? एंगल्स इक्वल हो जाएंगे. एंगल 13 इक्वल टू एंगल 14. सेकेंड, एंगल 15 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 16. बेटा दीज आर द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ angles. These are the properties of angle if they are made by a transversal line and the lines are your parallel. These are the property of your angles. You have to learn it and understand the concept. It will be easy if you have to do practice more this kind of the angles. Now look at here. What about co-interior? But in co-interior angles are not equal. The rule for the co-interior angle, that is, if on the same side, if their triangles are there in same side, in interior angles are there, so their sum should be 180 degree. Their sum should be 180 degree. Second one, angle 19 and plus angle 20, their sum should be 180 degree. Understood now? How can you do this type of the next? Here I am taking example. Write all type of angle. Here is a given figure. How can you write all type of the angles? We are not telling this is not given. These are the parallel line. We are writing only angles type. Okay. First I am writing corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. What is it? We will write only the name. First, in corresponding angle, if I am taking in this line, this is the L and this is the M line. Okay, in this line I am taking angle A. What is the corresponding of angle A? 2. In M line, 2. Angle M and angle 2 are the corresponding. Second, if I am taking here angle B, then what is the corresponding in angle M? 3. Angle B is the corresponding of angle 3. Next, same one side we have to over, now another one side we have to write it. That is, first I am taking angle D, then other side will be angle 1. Fourth, if I am taking angle C below of this line, in the another one line M, same as the way I am taking angle 4. These are the corresponding angles. Okay, next one, if it is the question is here, alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle, what is it? Okay, so first is angle. If I am taking here angle B, interior means we are talking about inside of these two line angles. So first angle B, alternate means we are taking opposite side. तो angle B के opposite क्या आ रहा है? Angle 1. Angle B and angle 1 are alternate interior angle. Same as second में अपन क्या लेंगे? Angle C and angle 2. Angle C and angle 2. These are the alternate interior angle. और always learn alternate interior angle हमेशा क्या बनाते हैं? एक जेड की शेप बनाता है इस तरीके से. If you will look out, this is the जेड शेप. ये जेड शेप बनती है हमेशा alternate. सॉरी, दिस इज अ जेड शेप हमेशा बनती है alternate interior angle में. ये जेड शेप है. इस जेड शेप में से इजीली अपने पास में निकल जाता है B 1 के इक्वल होता है और C 2 के इक्वल होता है. ये अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल के आइडेंटिफिकेशन है. क्या आइडेंटिफिकेशन है? लर्न जेड लेटर. जेड लेटर, F लेटर, दीज आर द लेटर यू हैव टू लर्न फॉर अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल. इजीली यू कैन फाइंड आउट अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल इफ यू विल सी दिस लेटर इन दिस फिगर. ओके, थर्ड वन, alternate exterior angle. What is the alternate exterior angle? What is it? We are taking one side from this D, then opposite side 3. So first angle D and angle 3 are alternate exterior angle. Another one, angle A and angle 4 are exterior angle. Okay, these are the made up angles by transversal line. Fourth, a co-interior angle. What is a co-interior angle? ठीक है, what is a co-interior angle? Same side, so angle C and angle 1 are co-interior angle. Second, angle B and angle 2 are co-interior angle. Here I am giving you the question number 2. This is the homework. You have to note down these type of the angles in your copy, same as the picture I am giving to you, but the angles name I will change. Write all type of angles. Here is the picture. The naming is, this is the P and Q, these are the transversal line, this is the parallel line and these are the transversal line. Okay, the naming is P, O, U, V, W and X. And here the naming is A, B, C and D. U, V, W, X, A, B, C, D. You have to solve this question and give the answer in your copy.